Welcome to the Dissemity Learn module. In this module, you will learn a framework for understanding the conventions of a scientific research article. You can use these conventions, which we call goals and strategies, to organize your thinking as you are preparing for writing in your field. To start, you can choose videos on introductions, methods, results, or discussion. For example, if you start with introductions, which we highly encourage, you can find videos through this drop-down. There are 18 videos, and each of them are 2 to 4 minutes long. And after each of the goals, you'll notice here that there are goals in blue, a goal in red, and a goal in green. You will have a quiz. The quiz will take you through a check for understanding. After you watch a video, you can choose to go to next to watch the next one. On the right-hand side, there is the transcript for easily navigating through the video and the voice. You can add notes by highlighting text in the transcript and then add note here. Highlighting it with the note will tag the note to that portion of the text so that later in Dissemity, you can go straight to the note and that location in the video. After every module within Dissemity, it's important that you reflect. Reflection is a way for you to process all of the learning that you are receiving as you are working through the modules.